Pearl of the day. MRI of the head is a non-invasive test that produces detailed images of the brain and brainstem. An MRI scan is different from a CT scan or an X-ray in that it doesn't use radiation to produce images. An MRI scan combines images to create a 3D picture of your internal structures, so it's more effective than other scans at detecting abnormalities and small structures of the brain, such as the pituitary gland and brainstem. Sometimes a contrast agent or dye can be given through an IV line to better visualize certain structures or abnormalities. An MRI is a useful tool for detecting a number of brain conditions, including aneurysms, multiple sclerosis, spinal cord injuries, hydrocephalus, stroke, infections, tumors, swelling, hormonal disorders such as acromegaly and Cushing's syndrome, hemorrhage, inflammation, Chiari malformation, blood vessel issues, and concerns related to a previous head injury. An MRA well examined the blood vessels,